Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will practice some important bits regarding the lesson family from the 8th class English textbook. The poem My Mother was written by whom? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. From the poem My Mother, who says, I cannot remember my mother? Answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Kamala Das is the daughter of the famous poet Dash. The answer is Balamani Amma. When was Rabindranath Tagore born? The answer is 7th May 1861. Rabindranath Tagore awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature for his Dash. Answer Geetanjali. Forced by her parents, Sita Dash took the diploma course. Identify the appropriate word. Answer reluctantly. A tune seems to hover over my playthings. Find out the correct synonym of the underlined word. The answer is remain in the air. There is a cold mist in the morning. Find out the similar meaning of the underlined word. The answer is fog. It's all tattered now. Choose the correct synonym of underlined word. The answer is torn. Where does Rabindranath Tagore feel the presence of his mother in the poem My Mother? The answer is B, C, E. In the blue sky, in the scent of the flowers, and in the tunes. The news that he was denied promotion caused Dash to him. Fill in the blank with the appropriate word. The answer is irritation. I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze. Choose the correct antonym of the underlined word. The answer is ignore. What are you dash? I can't hear you. Identify the suitable word. The answer is mumbling. Write the homophone of the words sent. Answer is CENT, sent, and SENT, sent. Why did Gopi go to Thiruvananthapuram? In the lesson, the tattered blanket. The answer is to attend a meeting. There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Why do you think there was a note of alarm in Amma's voice from the lesson The Tattered Blanket? The answer is she saw her son coming towards her. According to the lesson The Tattered Blanket, which of the following statement is not correct? The answer is B. B. Gopi's school has been closed for vacation. And F. Gopi came to Thiruvananthapuram on his summer vacation. I came to talk it over with you. What does the word it refer to in the lesson The Tattered Blanket? Answer is selling his share of the family property. Amma said loudly, I heard somebody come in a car. Choose the correct verb form of the underlined word. Answer is coming. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. According to the story, a letter to a friend, what is the unreal world? The answer is the city life. My dash doesn't know his uncle or aunt. Fill the blank with the appropriate word. The answer is child. All my attempts to make him happy proved dash. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. The answer is futile. Choose the words that are similar in meaning to the below sentence. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. The answer is earn just enough money. His mother made a futile attempt to get up. Choose the words that are similar in meaning to the underlined word. The answer is useless. Antonym of the word futile. The answer is useful. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.